Hello my creative friends, and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. All of their channels will be linked in the description down below, so be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. For my project this week, I'll be making timeless inspired resin coasters. These coasters are going to have kind of like a vintage and classic touch, and I can't wait to show you. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the supplies I'll be using today. The EPE epoxy resin. Okay, 2 square molds. These 2 timeless DTF decals. For the color palette, I'll be using the Critology Copper Brown Extra Fine Glitter with 1 drop of clear school glue, just so I can suspend the glitter. I'll be using the Chantilly Mica Powder in Coffee, the Imagine in Walnut Ink. I'll be using the Let's Resin Pigment Paste in Orange Red, some gears, the Let's Resin Chrome Marker, and to protect all surfaces, I'll be using the adhesive cord stickers for the bottom of each coaster. I've already mixed some resin, so I'm going to start mixing some colors and see what I come up with. I have 2 straw toppers here that I want to get done. Perfect color for it, so just spray them. I also have this football picture frame that I want to get done, and this is the perfect color too. Time to cure. And through the magic of editing, they are done. Okay, so it's time to design. Just a reminder, anyone using a DTF decal has to remember to peel off the top transfer layer. Okay, time to start working with the gears. This is gonna take me a little bit because decisions. I think it looks awesome like that. Time for a top coat. Okay, I had a few straw markers that I wanted to get done. I just need to put a little bit of lilac and 1 drop of clear glue. Time for curing. Okay, they are ready. This one's got a little bit of fixing to do. I got a little bit of overflow here, just a tad bit. I left it soft enough where I can just cut the side if I need to. I guess let's get this one demolded and fix the side. Wow, they came out beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have lots of mixed media creative projects here at the Artistry Corner.